पश्चिम बंगाल के राज्यपाल सीवी आनंद बोस ने कहा, मुझे राहत शिविरों का दौरा करने और वहां रह रहे पीड़ितों से विस्तार से बात करने का अवसर मिला। यह हाल ही में हुई सबसे बुरी आपदाओं में से एक है। मैंने केरल के मुख्यमंत्री से बात की है। प्रधानमंत्री और रक्षा मंत्री के संज्ञान में यह मामला लाया। प्रधानमंत्री बचाव और राहत कार्यों के लिए जो भी आवश्यक है उसे करने के लिए पूरी तरह प्रतिबद्ध है। हम पीड़ितों के साथ हैं।
I had an opportunity to visit the relief camps, talk in detail with the victims who are admitted there. There is a feeling of shock, rightly too, everywhere. But what I find is that all the volunteers, the teachers, the youth, the local people, the doctors, paramedicals, they've all risen to the occasion. Kerala is ready. India is ready to meet any crisis. That inner strength really inspires confidence in us. And the way the victims are taking it, Now what is required is, as we know, this is one of the worst calamities that has happened in the recent past. We had in 2013 the Himalayan landslide focused on Kedarnath, in which we lost more than 6,500 persons. We have the experience. We had more than 2 lakhs in China, Peru, Venezuela, Colombia, Italy. We have this track record of what is happening there. We are taking lessons from all these things. Kerala has to delve deep into the recommendations given by the Gadgil Commission, the environmental issues. But this is not the time for analyzing that. What is now required is action, not an alibi for inaction. Act. That's what is happening. I'm very glad that I could talk to the Chief Minister of Kerala, bring the issues to the notice of the Honorable Prime Minister and also the Defence Minister. The Prime Minister is fully committed to do whatever is required for the rescue and relief operations, and the Chief Minister is coordinating it. Minister George Kurian has been deputed here. So every action that is required will be taken. We are with the victims. That solidarity is always there. Whatever governments can do, the state government, central government, they are doing. All stakeholders have come together. And in a crisis like this, coming together is beginning. Keeping together is progress. Working together is success. We have come together. We have kept together. We are working together. We will certainly brave this calamity with all the determination and solidarity with the victims. See the requirements of the place, the suggestions made by the victims. All these I will take it up with the Government of India and also other authorities concerned. I am sure that whatever is possible